2025 is a great year for self-reflection, self-care, profit and gains if you come under the zodiac sign of Cancer. Yes, you Cancerians have a lot to look forward to in 2025 and I will touch upon each area as we progress. I'm Sharon S. Mondija welcoming you to my channel, and if you're new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe with the bell button, share this with family and friends. So let's look at the first area that could be for your careers and for your businesses. So for you Cancerians, the years may start a little bit slow, especially towards the month of Feb and March. But after that, it does look like you have a lot more responsibilities, a lot of job chores adding up, and a lot of tasks that would be coming onto your plate. But that brings along with it a lot of promotion, growth, and progressions that you have been looking forward for. So your progressions, the hikes that you have been looking forward for, it does come into place post the months of April. And even for people in the business front, there is a lot of new opportunities and gains that start now creeping up and start falling into place post the months of April. So you can look forward to stability and progress in the months of April itself. Now, along with that, it does look like you have some opportunities which is of a totally different field or a different aspect altogether, be it in the job front and in your business front. It could be an entire venture, an entire new product. It could be a different skill set altogether. And that is something you will venture into and you will experiment with this year, and it is for your gains and for your profits. You even have an opportunity to start creating some international ties this year, and these international ties would even be profitable for you. That's post the months of June and July. So look forward for that. Keep your eyes and ears open for all the opportunities coming your way, and do not forget to always re-evaluate all these opportunities. Your finances even start stabilizing and it starts improving. So along with that, you start looking at doing some investments this year. Yes, this year you would look to invest in some property. You could look to invest in a new car and definitely look to invest in your business opportunities as well. Now let's look at the health perspective. Your health overall is pretty good this year. Yes, you need to start implementing a little bit more exercising and watch your diets. There could be just some issues this year, which could be in the back area, in the in your neck area. It could be some issues in your dental issues. It could be in some hearing issues. Just a few minor concerns you need to take care of, but that will fizzle out as the year passes. Now let's look at the next aspect. We see your relationships. Now, like I said, since you will be very busy with your work front and your job front, you do not get enough of time this year for the home front. But as Cancerians, you're very good in striking that balance between the work and the home front. So you will take out time for the family. Yes, towards the end of the year, it does look like you start seeing some reality, checks which happen in the family front. Wherein you will have some family members, having a different aspect. They, could start showing you some true colors. You could hear some news that is not too pleasing from some family members. But do not forget, you need to focus on yourself this year. Anything that doesn't serve you or something that is not profitable for you, put that aside, take a breather, and just keep moving ahead this year. Okay, people behave differently because of their own reasons and their own their own causes, so just put that aside. Do not let that worry you too much. Take a time for the family, go for family trips this year. At least try and plan 2 trips this year, and importantly, try and visit a holy place this year, a religious place this year, and that would be profitable for you. For you students too, if you're looking to give any competitive exams, or if you're looking for a change of field, this is a good year for you to think, contemplate, and plan very well. Look at all the finer details. This is a good year for you. And even someone giving any competitive exams, this is a good year for you to hit the scores and the numbers that you are looking forward for. Now, some remedies that you can look forward for this year. You could start, donating some plants, add a lot more plants to your home front as well, give that to family and friends. Start implementing the use of rose quartz crystal or the clear quartz crystal. That is 2 things that you can use this year for you Cancerians. Besides the point, everything looks good. Take care of yourselves. Practice some meditation and some self-healing as well. The year looks good. It is profitable. Keep your evaluation going all along. So this is a great year. Take care of yourselves. Wishing you all the very best for 2025. Thank you so much for staying connected with my channel.